Picture this. It's Friday afternoon. Your paycheck just hit your bank account. You smile because this month, just like every month, you're putting money into savings. But by the end of the month, you're wondering, why do I still feel broke? If that's you, you're not failing, you're just missing one piece of the puzzle. By the end of this video, you'll understand why saving money alone isn't making you wealthy, and what to do instead. We've all heard the same advice. Save more, spend less, cut out the little luxuries. So you do exactly that. You skip eating out, you cancel subscriptions, you bring lunch to work, you put money into savings every payday. And yet, your financial life doesn't seem to change. You still worry about unexpected bills. You still hesitate before booking a vacation. You still wonder if you'll ever retire comfortably. Here's the truth. Saving money is one of the smartest financial habits you can build. But if saving is your only strategy, it has limits. Today, we're going to uncover those limits. Think about your savings account like a parking lot. A parked car is safe. It isn't going anywhere, but it also isn't taking you toward your destination. Money works the same way. Your savings account protects your money. It doesn't usually grow it enough to outpace rising living costs over the long run. Meanwhile, housing gets more expensive, groceries cost more, insurance premiums rise, childcare isn't getting cheaper. Even if your savings balance grows, your purchasing power may not grow nearly as fast. That's why so many hardworking people feel stuck. They're protecting money, but they're not giving enough of it the chance to grow. 2 years ago, I'm sitting at the kitchen table after dinner. The dishes are still in the sink. The house is finally quiet after putting the kids to bed. I open my banking app on my phone. The savings account shows just over $18,000. At first, I feel proud. Then I look at the checking account. The mortgage payment is due next week. The credit card bill is higher than I expected. The car needs new tires. I grab a notebook. I start writing every monthly expense. Mortgage, groceries, gas, insurance, school activities, internet, everything. The numbers keep climbing. I pull out a calculator. I punch them in twice because I think I made a mistake. I didn't. I'm thinking, how can I have thousands saved and still feel like I'm one emergency away from falling behind? Then another thought hits me. If I'm doing everything people told me to do, why doesn't it feel like I'm getting ahead? I lean back in my chair. I let out one long breath. I rub my forehead. I stare at the notebook, hoping one of the numbers somehow changes. It doesn't. For the first time, I realize I'm confusing saving money with building wealth. The next week, I meet a financially savvy friend for coffee. He looks over my numbers and smiles. Then he says, "You've become really good at protecting money." He pauses. "Now you need to learn how to make your money work for you." That sentence stayed with me. That conversation changed how I thought about money. Saving wasn't the finish line, it was the starting line. An emergency fund gave me security, but building wealth required something more. Growing my income, investing consistently for long-term goals, paying off expensive debt, buying assets that had the potential to increase in value or generate income. That's when everything finally started making sense. Every dollar should have a purpose. Some dollars protect you. Those belong in your emergency fund. Some dollars pay today's bills. Some dollars reduce high-interest debt. And some dollars should be working toward your future through long-term investing that fits your goals and risk tolerance. If every dollar is only sitting still, your financial life eventually stalls too. The goal isn't to save every dollar. The goal is to assign every dollar the right job. Here's what you can do starting today. Step 1. Build an emergency fund if you don't already have one. Aim for enough to cover several months of essential expenses. Step 2. If you're carrying high-interest credit card debt, focus on paying that down aggressively. The interest can outweigh what your savings are earning. Step 3. Start investing consistently for long-term goals. Even small monthly contributions can grow over decades through compounding, though returns aren't guaranteed and investments can go up or down. Step 4.
Look for ways to increase your income. Ask for a raise. Learn a valuable skill. Start a side hustle. Improve your career opportunities. Saving becomes much easier when income grows. Step 5. Review your money every month. Instead of asking, "How much did I save?" ask, "Is every dollar doing the job I want it to do?" That question changes everything.
Saving money isn't the enemy. It's one of the foundations of financial security. But saving alone rarely creates lasting wealth. Think of it this way. Savings give you stability. Income gives you options. Investing gives your money the opportunity to grow over time. Together, that's how you move forward financially. If this video helped you see money differently, hit the like button. And if you want simple, practical financial lessons that help you build wealth one step at a time, subscribe to the channel. Every week, we'll break down money in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to apply. I'll see you in the next video.